team of faculty, we had a lot of concerns very much. Whatever everybody spoke, I was sitting there and thinking, this shows the concern. Probably when I was trying to remember what has happened during my college days, whether the director or the head of the department came, presentation, pointing out what is good, what is bad, individual and in the class. They never did that. Moreover, there is a general mood of the class which I feel is little on the not in a very brighter side. Little darker, I don't know why. Maybe finding semester is going about your place. Those who are placed